something that you will never want to face as a homeowner is losing the ability to pay the mortgage. Some ways this can happen is if you lose your job, you can't work because of medical reasons, or you took out a bad long-term loan, like an adjustable rate mortgage, also known as an ARM. If you took out an adjustable rate mortgage, and the adjustment period has passed, and now your mortgage is too high for you to pay, the recommended thing for you to do is refinance to get a fixed-rate mortgage. If you can't find a bank willing to work with you, the best thing you can do is get a mortgage broker or mortgage brokers to find a bank for you. The reason you can get more than one is a mortgage broker is not paid directly by you. A mortgage broker compensation for his or her service is taken out by the bank and giving to them when you refinance. If you use one or more mortgage brokers, it is important that you do your homework and pick them well. The reason for this is you will be giving them some sensitive information that you will never want to fall into the wrong hands. Also, if you do use one or more mortgage brokers, it is wise to still look for banks for yourself. If you lose the ability to pay the mortgage not because of a bad loan, but because you lost your job, or you can't work because of medical reasons, there are some things you can do. One thing you can do is rent out some of the rooms in your house. If you do this, let the person you are renting out to sign a contract showing the rules of the house, how much is the rent, and letting them know that the lease is in a month-to-month basis. One other thing you can do is cut back on your spending until you find a job, or until you get well. The last thing you can do is sell your house, which is always the last option. If you ever get into a situation where you can't pay the mortgage, hopefully some of the information you read here will help you get through this tough situation. A good website where you can see more information on topics like this is https://googlepages.com/investing.html, which is highly recommended. You can also add this article to your website or blog at https://googlepages.com/can't-afford.html. Thank you and enjoy.